Hello, it's Wendy from Wenway Creations. I'm here with Anna from Pink Monarch Prints, Super Simple number 5. And it just goes down on the page. You glue this on to say this is your journal page. You glue it here, glue it down, and then leave that as a pocket for this. So it's really easy. This is a little accordion journaling spot. That goes in there like that. And then this has got some pockets, fold out pockets filled with ephemera, and a little pocket on the inside there. A little bird. So let's do it. Okay, we'll do the accordion booklet first. So just some glue. This is done on normal copy paper. So it doesn't bulk up too much. And just glue the pages on like this. And it doesn't matter. They're interchangeable upside down. Go up a bit. Come down. Bit off there, bit off the bottom, and just ink around it. I missed that corner, I think. Okay. Little tab on here. Let's just have a look at this for a minute. Yep. That's that done. Okay, so this part's the base. I'm going to put this back pocket on first. Bit of lace here I'm just going to put on. Bit of trim rather, not lace. Need a bit longer than that. Just put this little add thing here. And my my bird? Where's my bird? We'll add Anna's link so you can access her Etsy store and watch how she does it. She does it so much better than me. You can sew around these before you glue them up if you're into sewing. So these pockets onto the main part, making sure you leave that little space there so they fold. These down. Now there's these little writing areas, journaling spots. Put those on the back of those. I actually put two of them on the back of the insert card. Expect miracles. Okay. Anna glues hers, but I like to leave mine open. So that one goes in that pocket, top pocket, or goes in the bottom pocket, wherever you want to put it. Open. Glue spread too much. That's better. Okay, and then I'll put this little one in the bottom. This one I'm going to put a bit of lace on. And one of these. I moved it. Not a very clever thing to do when you try and put one of these in. There goes my nail. moved it again. Get in there. Come on, that's it. That one goes up in there. This one, I'm just going to pop in here with that flower and a couple of these. There you have it. Nice and easy, super simple number 5 from Anna from Pink Monarch Prints. I'll put the description in the description below, and yeah, please leave a comment and let me know what you think. I've got one more to do, number 6 I think, or number 7, and I'll get on to that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.